Discover iOS 20's hidden gem, CarPlay video streaming. This change will transform your drive forever. Apple has snuck in one of its biggest CarPlay upgrades for iOS 26 that practically went unnoticed on its own website. Apple quietly revealed that soon iPhone users can stream videos via AirPlay directly to their in-car display. But here's where it gets controversial. The feature won't work unless the car is parked. Apple insists on preventing distracted driving by having the iPhone detect motion and automatically stop any video playback. Automakers must build in support for this CarPlay AirPlay video functionality, so expect a gradual rollout. It's still unclear whether existing vehicles will be eligible or if it will be limited to newly released models. Both standard CarPlay and the premium CarPlay Ultra platforms are included in the plan, but availability will ultimately depend on the manufacturer and regional safety regulations. And this is the part most people miss. This new video streaming capability could be a game changer for electric vehicle drivers waiting at charging stations, delivering built-in entertainment without resorting to unofficial hacks. After all, Tesla has offered its Theater app for years, letting passengers enjoy Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, and Twitch while the car is parked. With iOS 26, Apple is making a similar experience broadly available across more brands, granting official approval to something that once required jailbreak tweaks or beta apps to unlock. At the time of posting, Apple has released no screenshots, videos, or concrete timelines for when CarPlay AirPlay video will go live. Availability may also vary by country, influenced by local safety regulations. Popular stories. iOS 26 Beta 4. New CarPlay wallpaper options revealed. In a surprising move, Apple has decided to shake things up with a wallpaper collection on CarPlay in iOS 26 Beta 4. Not only have they added several new options, but they've also removed many of the existing wallpaper choices that have been around since older iOS versions. This bold decision has sparked a lot of discussion among users and tech enthusiasts alike. CarPlay in iOS 26 Developer Beta 4 now offers 9 wallpaper choices, each of which changes its appearance for light and dark mode, effectively doubling the options to 18. This is a significant departure from the previous variety of wallpaper styles, which included versions based on iPhone default wallpapers from over the years. The new CarPlay features 2 main styles, the iOS 26 wallpaper design and a solid color choice. The iOS 26 wallpaper style now comes in 6 colors, each with light and dark mode options. This change has been met with mixed reactions, with some users praising the sleek new design and others missing the old options. But here's where it gets even more interesting. CarPlay in iOS 26 also includes new icon appearance options, a redesigned music app, widgets, and much more. Apple is even supporting video in CarPlay for the first time with iOS 26, although car makers will need to enable support. This has sparked a lot of debate about the future of in-car entertainment and the role of technology in our daily lives. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the new wallpaper options and features, or do you miss the old ones? Let us know in the comments below. iOS 26 CarPlay Update: How to use new widgets and features in your car. iOS 26 unveils exciting new CarPlay widgets, a game changer for drivers. The latest update, iOS 26, marks a significant milestone for CarPlay enthusiasts, introducing a plethora of new features that have been long awaited. Among these enhancements, the most remarkable is the debut of widgets in CarPlay, a feature that has finally made its way to the driving experience. Widgets have become an integral part of nearly all Apple devices, enhancing user interaction on the iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple Watch. This year, even the Vision Pro is set to incorporate spatial widgets in visionOS 26, showcasing Apple's commitment to innovation across its platforms. However, CarPlay users have had to endure a lengthy wait for this feature, and the moment has finally arrived. Back in 2022, Apple teased the introduction of widgets as part of the next generation of CarPlay, which later evolved into what we now know as CarPlay Ultra. Thankfully, Apple has decided to extend this functionality to the standard CarPlay experience as well. With iOS 26, CarPlay will now support widgets similar to those on your iPhone, providing quick access to information tailored to your needs. Here's how it works. Within the Settings app on your iPhone, you can customize which widgets will be displayed in your vehicle. The new Widget Stacks feature allows you to arrange up to 5 widgets with the option to enable Smart Rotate for dynamic viewing. While native CarPlay applications can offer their own widgets, the beauty of iOS 26 is that you are not restricted to just those. You can add any widget available on your iPhone, regardless of whether the app is specifically designed for CarPlay. To explore the full range of apps with widgets compatible with iOS 26, navigate to Settings, General CarPlay, and select your vehicle. Depending on the size of your CarPlay display, you can configure either 1 or 2 widget stacks for optimal viewing. Some widgets come with customizable options, similar to those on your iPhone. For instance, the default Up Next widget from the Calendar app allows you to either reflect your iPhone's calendar selection or choose specific calendars to display. You can also opt to show or hide all-day events based on your preferences. The addition of widgets to CarPlay seems like a logical step forward, and it's surprising that it took this long to implement. Nevertheless, the excitement surrounding their arrival is palpable, especially since Apple has made them accessible to all CarPlay users, not just those with the Ultra version. The concept of glanceability is fundamental to the effectiveness of widgets. This feature is also vital for ensuring that CarPlay remains a safe tool for drivers. Therefore, it's encouraging to see Apple integrate widgets into the CarPlay experience with iOS 26. What CarPlay widgets are you eager to try out in iOS 26? Share your thoughts in the comments below. ***. Top CarPlay accessories ***. MagSafe car mount for iPhone. 10-foot iPhone cable USB-C to USB-A. Flylead car charger featuring 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports. Apple AirTag for tracking your vehicle. AirTag 4-pack available for just $79. Stay updated with 9 to 5 Mac by adding us to your Google News feed. FTC disclosure ***. We utilize affiliate links that generate income. For more information, visit our site.